Hello everyone, I am Ranu Patida. Today we are going to discuss the about discrete mathematics. So today's topics are, first one is graph, second one is finite and infinite graph, and third one is degree and incidence, and last one is isolated vertex. So now first we are going to discuss about what is a graph. Graph is a non-linear data structure which is consisting of the nodes. What are the nodes over here? Just have a look about this graph. A, B, C, D, E, F are the nodes over there, and it consists of the edges. So the A and B are connected with the help of the edges. Similarly, all the nodes are connected with the help of the edges. Now the nodes are sometimes also referred as the vertices, and the edges are the lines or the arcs that connected any two nodes in the graph. Now the next topic is finite graph. What is a finite graph? A graph is said to be finite if it has a finite number of the vertices, that is nodes. So just have a look over this graph over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 nodes, means we have 5 vertices which are the finite. And finite number of the edges. Similarly over here we have the totals of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 edges over there which are in the finite in number. Both the number of the vertices and the number of edges in a finite graph are limited and can be counted. Now the next topic is infinite graph. Now a graph is said to be infinite if it has an infinite number of the vertices as well as an infinite number of the edges, which means over there in the infinite graph vertices and edges are not limited. Now this is an example of the infinite graph. Over there we have the unlimited nodes and unlimited edges. Now the next topic is degree. Now what is the degree? Degree, it is the number of the vertices and the adjacent of a vertex V. Over here just have a look at this example over this graph. We have suppose node A. Now its degree is 3 because it's a number because we know that what is degree? Degree is the number of vertices adjacent to a vertex V. Means A is connected to B, E and D with the help of 3 edges. Now its notation is DEGV. It's denoted by these, and a vertex can form an edge with all other vertices except by itself. So the degree of a vertex will be up to the number of vertices in the graph minus 1. Now this one is for the self vertex, as it cannot form a loop by itself. If there is a loop at any of the vertices, then it's not a simple graph. Now degree of vertex can be considered under 2 cases of the graph. First one is undirected graph and second one is a directed graph. Now next is isolated vertex. Isolated vertex is a vertex with a degree 0. Now that is a vertex that is not an endpoint of any edge. Over here just we have one graph. Have a look at this graph. Over there A has 2 degree and B has 1 to 3 degree. Now D has 1 to 2 degree and C has 1 degree. But when we look at the E now, but there is no degree of it. It's not connected to any of the other vertex with the help of the edges. So this is the isolated vertex because its degree is 0. Thank you everyone. Please like, share, subscribe.